Splash. Alright.
Thunder or something, isn't it? Yeah, thunder.
I will.
See, I'll be dead.
Get...
Personally, I find them pretty handy at points.
I turn them off in my shit because I don't like to see it. Also,
this person.
German, take him out.
Hello?
He's got a rocket bag. Shoot him.
Oh,
Hello?
nice bike.
Oh, I heard it.
No.
Recorded later.
Yeah,
It was special.
Right,
Very, very special.
I've been the first one to get dropped. I've been shot twice now.
Friendlies don't count.
No.
That's just ceremonial. You want here? Magnus here? Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
They look British.
Hello, Tommies.
Hello, lad.
Oh, look at that. That's cigarettes on.
Hello.
Wow, look
Ja, dat dan. In front of that Hank.
at that. Bruh.
You're almost there. Alright. Seems like they were expecting you. Hello, everyone.
Seems like a mighty fine party up there.
Ooh, it's the Liberators! We're so happy to see you!
Hello, local people.
Nice
way.
meeting of Liberators.
Thank you so much for liberating our city!
No problem at all.
No problem.
Dexter's Laboratories?
You're welcome.
He has a better Dutch accent than I have.
I'm really pumped that you guys have come here to save us, you know?
Don't Australian Dutch.
Don't
I'm so looking forward to get back and doing more Dutch things, you know?
don't mind my friend.
Can you show me the way to the pub?
Don't mind him. He's got, how do you say, Down syndrome?
It's not very nice, mate.
What's with the red patch
It's
on
not,
his
is
arm?
it, Mr. Australian man?
Right, well, seems like a big party up here. People are blocking the road, but you can, there's a way around here if you go right through the gardens.
Oh, blimey!
But maybe you could take the
No,
tanks.
don't take the tank.
What's that orange
Hey,
flag?
gentlemen, wait
What
up.
is
Come
that?
on.
Oh, look at that. Ain't that a pretty city?
Two people just raving out on the river.
Three people. I think that one just took it over though, did it? The beam cache, look for it. Even if you're like in a remote ass place like
I
the mall.
parachuted in the night before we parachuted in just to set us up.
Anyways, that's how I lost my medical license.
So nobody slapped
And that's how I became up.
Oh.
Waking me up.
Why is the city burning?
Oh, let's sink.
Stop making such a fuss and go back to sleep.
Are those
What the
American
fuck?
power bombers?
No,
How
the
the fuck
Germans
did
are
the
bombing
How did the Luftwaffe come back to life? Where's our...
I distribute the beans around here.
Right, tanks. Everybody get out of here.
Were you
That's not what I mean.
sleeping?
Oh, okay.
Well,
So there's more left? Because I'd really like to meet one of them at some point, but time's running out.
It's
User joined your channel.
strange.
What was that?
That That came from the town.
Hey!
Oh shit!
Sniper, get in the distance, boys.
There's a Tiger tank southwest. And it's shot.
That was a sad state of attack in the medical
Oh, I'm back.
Get back.
Ammo crate here. Give me a light.
I mean, we put two.
Hey,
user joined your
rounds into
channel.
a Tiger.
Can just give him smoke in here. Can you light my cigarette, boy?
Yep. By Christmas.
White Christmas, boys.
Actually, what month did OK Garden take place?